Hey guys, Eric Oakley here, Team Infinite Disc. Thank you for tuning into this video.
I was just doing the double. What is good, everyone? I'm Eric Oakley of Infinite Discs. Yes, you heard that right, Infinite Discs. We have started our partnership. Everything is going great. We're gonna do a practice round. This is my first round back in Florida with some of the new discs that I picked up while I spent some time in Utah. It was awesome. I'm really excited. And comment below what you want to see me throwing. I am going to be trying out a lot of different discs from a lot of different brands to really find out what's going to make my bag. I have some special guests. Tristan Tanner of
Hello.
Latitude 64 here. Thomas Gilbert of Prodigy Discs and of Canada. Kind of both of Canada.
Half of Canada.
Half Canada, full Canada. We got 1.5 Canadas here. And if you don't know, we got the king of the 8 holes on the camera, Zach Benson. He's out here, Rainbow Smaug. You're gonna see him rip some shots too. Probably some 360 putter throws, you know it. Yeah, so we're just gonna have some fun and ask each other questions and make fun of each other and throw discs good. Okay, cool, let's go. I don't know if you can see Tristan in there. Tristan, what are you putting with?
Thanks for razzing me.
Got him. I'm jamming on the alpacas as the first putter that I've been trying out. I really like it. Oh, close enough. I like it. So I got a concrete Emperor luster metal flake. Here at hole 2, I really like the flex forehand. If I can get it to hold the turn for a long time and have a late fade, it's gonna be money. I've really been liking these for both forehands and backhands for distance. I think I need to get one seasoned in for the shot, but if I get it right, we're playing with fire. Too much, I think.
Yep, a little high too.
That's fine. I can live with it. Hold. That's gonna be money, dude. Yeah. Really nice. So I got a scepter that I'm gonna be trying. This is what I've been really liking in that overstable slot. Reminds me of the Lucid X Felons I used to throw a lot. And it's really comfortable in the hand. It's good ground play. Should be able to push it around this corner. Don't hit it. Dang it. All right. Also, I've been testing out the Zone. Shout out to Brian Earhart, one of the best teachers in the game. This is also another disc that I was really excited to kind of start bagging and throwing. That's money.
Nice.
Look at that.
Nice shot.
Thanks, Brian.
Alright. I'm just throwing a harp at these trees and hopefully miss some branches.
Get in.
A little long.
So long, yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Alpaca my bag. Go grab that birdie.
Eric, what are you throwing?
I am jamming on an Exodus. This is like kind of reminds me of a Explorer, Innovator type disc. I'm gonna try and hit this. I haven't thrown this with a fan grip yet, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, it's got a fade. That's too straight. Oops. That'll be hard. It's all right. Felt good out of my hand.
Full Sun Friday. Good tree.
So I'm gonna try out. I got a Centurion. Flies like an understable fairway driver. Really gonna just try and put this up there and let it just hold right the whole time. I'm happy with that. Yeah.
I'm Thomas Gilbert, and I throw Prodigy discs, and I'm about to throw a Prodigy disc that moves right when I throw it hard backhand.
Ooh, he's going backhand.
I think so.
Ooh.
Yes.
Ooh.
We're gonna go with the H3 V2.
Hut hike. That's dope. See ya. All right. Hey, let's go. Let's go.
So sick. Okay. I rate from where Eric is, it's 406 to the basket. So I've got about 399 left. I'm going on a little forehand flex shot.
Flick. He said it on the channel. He said a on the channel.
I did.
Whatever.
Oh,
I thought that word was banned.
Trivia time. Well, not trivia time, but hey, question for you guys. What is one disc your bag would be lost without? D2?
D2.
This one in particular?
Yes.
Yes? What does this one do?
Flies so good.
Sick.
Flies so good.
What about you?
Explore. Shout
Shoulder?
out John Nicholson for this one.
Yeah?
But,
The 173 gold stamp too?
Straight.
Oh, 175.
Yeah,
I'm surprised.
All max weight.
Jonathan Nicholson.
Yeah.
Hey, congratulations to him and Steph. They're getting married in December.
Yep.
So cool.
December 18th.
Give them some love. Shout them out. Let's go. I don't know what mine is because my bag is so new, but I would start with up top.
Get in frame. No, you. There you go. God.
P Blend Alpaca.
There you go.
Loving it for putting. Money. Zach, what about you? What's the one disc your bag can't live without?
It's got to be a harp.
Well, is it that harp?
It's this harp. It's a VIPX harp.
Nice. Vipix.
The Vipix.
Vipix.
The Vipix harp.
All right, let's throw this hole.
Do it. Thomas is ready. Go. Eric, what is it?
This is the disc that I actually heard I should be throwing like probably more than any other disc, and it was the Castaplast Berg. Super unique. Shout out to my buddy Utah Joe. Give me a little bird berg on there. We'll see how it works on this approach. Oh, you made it fade. I made it fade.
Berg.
That was not
Berg
very
is
good
the
on my
word.
part, but whatever.
Oh, I'm counting you down.
Yeah.
3.
We're going on 3.
You're going on 3?
Yes.
Oh, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Eat it, Thomas! Thomas sucks at putting. You heard it here first. Oh. Nice 3.
Well, I like it.
Get it.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh.
Gosh, that was close. Alright. Here we're going with a new disc, the A model OS. Some people say it really gets you in the zone for this shot, so we're going to throw it here.
Buckets, dude. Park.
Nice.
The Anubis. Super straight. Actually really like this one. This is the 9th run of these in the C blend. Just gonna keep it on hyzer. Let her work.
As hard as I can like that.
I haven't got that one to drift at all yet, but I really like that I can put it on hyzer and keep it there. Do it, TT. Show us what's good.
Switch this
Switching it up.
to my beloved other Pioneer.
Pioneers. Hey, we love it. Celebrate disc golf. It's buckets, dude.
Inside.
What you throwing, Zach?
This Fusion X Felon.
Fusion X Felon. Some guy.
Rando that we picked up.
That is also looking nice. Yeah, boy.
A little short.
The shark.
Bad. Great focus.
Hey, all. Wow.
Oh, what is that
Why? Just stare at him while he makes his eagle flat. Get up.
Ching! So everybody win it.
Hey. Jump. Make it, sir. Make it. Make it.
I will.
Just know that we're watching you. We're watching as you try to make this putt.
I hope you're watching.
Oh! Eagle! Go!
This is the first try.
I was right there when I made it.
Where were you?
Okay, Thomas?
Okay.
Don't tell me what
Okay,
to do,
Thomas.
okay?
Buckets. All day.
Bucket.
Thank you.
Bucket.
No.
What's the deal here?
We have a $100 bounty on an eagle, even if it's in practice round. Basket is there, but really far that way. Spider?
Look at all that blood of you.
Oh my God. Out eagle opportunity on 9. They figured it out. But we're gonna go another question time. Strongest shot you have, and what is the shot you're working on the most this off season? Thomas, go.
Strongest shot will be a hyzer flip driver, like late flip shot.
Okay.
That goes really far.
Backhand?
Backhand. Yep. And then weakest shot is
What you're working on.
so
Doesn't have to be your
working on-
weakest shot, or
I
what are
mean,
you working on? Because you could be working
Yeah,
on
that's
one
true,
shot that
that's
you're
true.
good at.
I am working on my gap hitting with backhand fairway drivers
Okay.
and mid ranges.
Sweet.
Like nice hard committed backhands. Do like gaps about as big as a disc.
Nice.
That's what I'm working on is the same as Thomas.
Okay.
Absolutely identical. My strongest shot is like fairway driver forehand
Yeah.
hyzers.
Easy. Money. Mine? I don't know. I think I'm backhand fairway is probably my strongest shot right now, like a 7-speed, just ripped on hyzer. And maybe even the forehand. But if I said the shot that I'm working on the most is distance driver backhands, just trying to get back into throwing a lot more distance. And the Emperor is the disc that's going to unlock that. Watch. All right, eagle time.
Yep.
Take us away, Tristan. I think it helped you.
So
I
close.
didn't turn it.
I think
It
it helped
did,
you.
it did help it because I missed the angle.
Yeah, but that's
I didn't,
such a
tur-
tight
I didn't,
angle
I didn't
up
turn
there.
it. I didn't turn it hard
Okay.
enough.
It's
I was
like-
trying to just bend it right to left the whole way.
Eagle.
You going inside?
Eagle done.
Yes. I like that. I'm gonna try it.
Nope, that's not inside. Good kick.
Oh, it's still in
You
play.
guys are still in play. What is
Okay,
this?
I'm gonna try. Lame.
What does the alpaca say?
Huh? Not like dumb. Like not near you.
Just a single dumb, not two.
Yes, just one dumb.
The inside gap. You might be okay. That's all right.
Oh, that was not the gap.
I don't know if I'm gonna like lay up and then try to throw in for eagle, or if I'm gonna try to like do something dumb and bite off a lot.
I mean,
I'm kind of airing.
you're
towards
playing.
dumb.
You're playing with Eric Oakley, so I feel like dumb is the only option.
Yeah.
You're doing it, dude. Oh my God, that was perfect.
Let's go!
Like, I don't think you could have done this any better.
No way I could have. I mean, this was the tiniest gap I've thrown all day. You go Sky Annie at her.
How stable did you go for a sky angle?
I went my most overstable distance driver and ripped it on as much Annie as possible. Yeah, it sounds stupid.
When in Rome, right?
Yeah.
Eric, I might kill you. I just want you to know.
Eric is fully accepting.
You went inside gap, right? Like right at these inside trees.
Yeah.
I mean, you only get better by imitating the best, right?
Nope.
You missed the sky part.
Yeah, sky's not my best. I don't even notice, but everything I throw goes into the
A
ground.
little bit. I'm trying to decide if I go a little forehand or like hyzer putt.
Tough call. I know what I would do.
Forehand, I can see the basket.
It's a forehand harp all day.
Yeah, I think so. I like the call, Zach.
What can I say? I'm a big fan of the forehand harp.
Oh. No. Second try. Second throw.
First try if the editor decides that.
Nope.
Next shot's for $25.
Here, this one, $10. Just keeps going down. The whole bag. This goes in.
Hold it. Hold it.
Fire!
Fire! What's good, everybody? Eric Oakley. We're wrapping this up. Make sure you guys go check out infinitedisc.com if you want to get the best discs on the market. You can get Latitude 64, you can get Prodigy, or just about anything else. They have some of the best discs around. Go check them out. Support your favorite pros. Support everybody who's looking to support disc golf. Where can we find you guys?
Tristan_Tanner13 on Instagram.
Sweet. Anywhere else?
YouTube, Tristan Tanner, disc golf,
Sweet.
I think.
Thomas Gilbert 54 on Instagram
Nice.
and in Canada.
And, oh yeah, always
He's
in
54
Canada.
because he's 54 years old.
And make sure you
Fun
guys
fact.
support Rainbow Smog, Zach Benson. Join our Discord. It'll be in the links below. There'll be lots of links below to their channels, to all those good things. Thank you guys for watching. We're going to go finish up the rest of our round and enjoy it. But you guys enjoy, get out, go throw. Let's be awesome. Okay, bye. Woo!
Eagle is always better.
Let's go. Buzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Oh my God.
Go grab it.
Definitely not going for the eagle.